Good afternoon, everyone. Jason here. Today is August 26th, and this is your aftermarket update. All right, so many of you know we completed step one of the Top Step Trader Trading Combine a little over a week ago, and we are now entering phase two of that trading combine today. Tomorrow, the folks at Top Step Trader will be making a presentation to our group, and so included in the email that you will be receiving along with this video link today. We'll have a registration for you to be able to go and attend that. So again, we did start today in step two. Let me just pull this down in front of you here. This is, you can see here, this was the email that we received yesterday, 8/25. Today's the 26th. And this just outlines the information for the beginning process of step two. All right, so you can see up here on the price ladder that we did end up today with a very positive first day here on the step two of the trading combine. I'll talk to you a little bit about what our strategy was here today. As you know, if you are familiar with Top Step Trader trading combines, once you go through phase one, I'm on the 50K combine, and once you go through phase one, the parameters get a bit more restrictive. You get $1,000 daily drawdown, and also you cannot lose more than $1,000 in a trading week. There are parameters and rules around trading during certain economic events. For me, with the exception of the crude oil inventory report, that really won't affect me. And then again, if this bleeds over into the next set of FOMC meeting minutes, then that would affect this as well. But by and large, most of those announcements that would require me to be clear of trading, to be flat, in other words, occur at about 7:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. There's a complete list of instruments and news events on their website. You can take a look at that if you are so inclined. And also, they have what they call a scaling plan. So from $0 to $1,500 on the $50,000 trading combine, then you can only trade 2 lots. So I'm electing, instead of trading 1 lot on the ES and 1 lot on the CL, I'm electing to trade 2 lots right now on the instrument that is providing what I consider to be the best opportunity. And today, that was the CL. So if you take a look at the price ladder over here, you'll see that we did finish the day in the positive. In fact, if there's a $3,000 profit target, our gross profit here today represented about 24% of where we needed to get to at the end of 10 trading days. So a good first day, but again, there's a long way to go yet. Still, let's talk about what we did here today. Before we do that, you know, we talk a lot about our sweet spot setup, and that sweet spot here today, 53.64. You can see the first time that we came down here, it got to 67 and rallied for 35 ticks. Then it came down the next time. Well, the next time it came down to 61. You had a bit of a rally for 21 ticks, and then down here at 58, and it is continuing to move up, and that's 23 ticks. So again, we'll see what happens with that sweet spot area. That was actually the targeting location on our short today. So we spent a lot of time rotational up here, what we were talking about in the trade room, and we executed a couple of these. We said long from 99, and price action had failed to close below this 80 area. And so we were going to be looking long on a move up through 99, and we were looking short on a move down through 80. And so again, this really with the key kind of level here being this daily structure signal level, one of our market maker levels. Market spent a little bit of time rallying up and back, and you could see here there were several long wicks before the market finally broke. Now, we were in a really nice trade here all the way down to this area. We were trying to hang on for this, what we talked about being our sweet spot area underneath, and I did end up getting shaken out up here. In fact, I was shaken out at, I had a stop at 44, came up to 45, went back down, went back up to 48, and then ended up closing these bars below the volume weighted average price. Really never closed a bar above it, and eventually came all the way down. So we were in short, I believe, from 79, and it came all the way down to 79 on the other side. That's what we were looking for. Ended up getting trail stopped back out up here, so ended up positive $700 in our step 2, day 1 of step 2 of the trading combine, which was really good. No ES trades today, again, as we are limited by the number of lots that we can trade on the scaling plan. We are electing to trade 2 lots, and I'm going to go with the instrument that I think is the best opportunity on the day, and that today was this CL opportunity. So our trade of the day here, you're going to see me get in here at 79 and see me get trail stopped right back up here around this 44 area, and just 4 ticks is really all that it went through our area and then came back down. Could have been a really massively good day. As it was a good day. So with all that being said, I'm going to let you watch this OTG trade of the day. Short in at 79. Stop is 89. Same target as earlier, the MS mid at 40, to the VWAP at 38, to the DS mid maybe at 07.